When it comes to building a PC, one of the most important components is the case. It needs to be functional, stylish, and able to accommodate any upgrades you might want to make in the future. Here are the 5 best PC cases you can buy in 2022. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. 5. Corsair iCUE 5000T RGB. The Corsair 5000T is a high-end PC case that is both stylish and functional. The large tempered glass side panel displays the part's uniform color, and the RGB lighting throughout the case is stunning. This Corsair PC case includes 208 programmable RGB LEDs, 3 LO120 fans with 16 RGB LEDs each, and a 6-zone RGB LED controller with the iCUE commander and Siren XT. You can sync RGB lighting across all of your Corsair-compatible devices to create a unified look. The Corsair 5000T can accommodate up to 10 120mm or 4 140mm case fans, multiple radiators up to 260mm in the front and 360mm in the roof or motherboard tray, and has flexible storage options for 2 3.5 in HDDs and 5 2.5 in SSDs. Rapid cable handling is made possible with the 4 USB 3.0 ports, 1 USB 3.1 Type-C port, and the optional vertical GPU mount. The tempered glass side panel is easy to remove and install, making it quick and easy to access your components. This beautifully made PC case is constructed from steel, plastic, and tempered glass, and despite its weight, it is easy to move around. The Corsair 5000T is the perfect case for anyone looking for a high-end, stylish, and functional PC case. 4. Phanteks Evolv X. Phanteks is known for making great cases, but the Evolv X really stands out as a great option for anyone looking to build a mid-tower PC. It's modular, so you can set it up in different ways, and it comes with an upgrade that adds 3 more SSD slots, 10 HDD slots, and 4 Phanteks SSD brackets. Plus, it has a universal fan hub and 3 Phanteks Premium 120mm fans, and it has flaps in the back that hide the cables, so it looks good from any side. 3. NZXT H710i. In 2022, building a gaming PC is very different from what it was in the past. NZXT seems to agree with this, with its line of simple cases that still have RGB lighting and modern features like USB-C and vertical GPU mounting for an all-encompassing nest. The layers of kitsch graffiti are a contrast to the design of Arasaka and show how the world of Cyberpunk 2077 is full of history. The H710i Cyberpunk has details on the inside and outside, like our soccer pup and a limited edition Cyberpunk 2077 chip charm. The H710i is great for ambitious builds because it has a lot of room for big or expensive cybernetic parts. This improved version of the H710i adds 2 RGB strips and a controller for both the RGB strips and the fans. This lets users capture the neon energy of Night City itself. Add limited edition mods to your build to make it better. The Cyberpunk 2077 chip charm makes your tempered glass look better, and the R-Soccer Puck helps you store your audio and VR hedger in a Megacorp style. 2. Corsair iCUE RGB 5000X. The Corsair iCUE RGB 5000X is a huge computer box that has excellent cooling due to the mesh coatings on the top and bottom panels. It contains a lot of space for efficient building and 3 Corsair RGB fans. Even though it is huge, it has an elegant appearance. The Corsair iCUE RGB 5000X can fit multiple radiators up to 360mm wide in the front and a push-pull radiator up to 360mm wide in the roof. It holds 10 120mm or 4 140mm case fans. The Corsair iCUE RGB 5000X has an easy-access hinge door panel, flexible storage for up to 4 2.5-inch SSDs and 2 3.5-inch HDDs. Simple and fast rapid route cable management system. 25mm cable routing depth in front, 𝐦𝐤/𝐈 connections including 2 USB 3.0 and 1 USB 3.1 Type-C, optional vertical GPU mount configuration, and tool-free tempered glass side panel. Some people might think it's a bit extravagant, but if airflow and room are vital to you, it's worth the price. 1. Fractal Design Meshify 2 Compact. The Meshify 2 Compact by Fractal Design is a strong chassis for ATX gaming computers. The Meshify 2 series from Fractal has various new features: a front USB 3.1 Type-C port, a tempered glass display, a totally removable top panel for simple access, and a front nylon filter that can be removed from the mesh to enhance airflow are among the features. On the Meshify 2 Compact, an integrated TG panel can be removed from the filter to increase airflow, and from the air top to create an unobstructed route. It has integrated cable guides for either management, a new compact hard drive cage, and a hard drive capacity of 7. The most significant disadvantages of this case are its high price and absence of RGB lighting, but its well-thought-out design makes it worthwhile. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to hear more videos from our channel, subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon.